Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A74 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set hide apps in our phone Oppo A74. First of all, on your phone, go to the settings. Click here for settings. Now click on password and biometrics. Now click on privacy password. Click on privacy password here. And enter your privacy password that you already set. Now click on hide apps. Click on hide apps here. And here turn on the button against apps which ought to be hidden as per your wish. Before that, you go to set access code. So click OK and you have to put access code here. You have to start with the hash and number. Start with the hash followed by number hash. Then you again put hash. So hash 2323 hash. I have set hash 2323 hash. Remember this and turn on the button against apps which are to be hidden as per your wish. So these apps will be hidden, and if you put only that access code, then you can open all hidden apps. It will be stored in another place and it will be in secret place, and you can open it with only that access code. Yes, those apps are hidden from the home page. Those apps cannot be seen here. So if you want to use those apps and if you want to see those apps, you go to dial. Go to dial and type hash 2323 hash. That is the access code. Hash 2323. Yes, these are the apps which are already hidden. So in this way you can easily hide apps in your phone Oppo A74. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.